Hello, Mr. Joshua. How are you?
I am fine. Where are you?
I am in my house in Graneros, enjoying nature and playing with my dogs.
How many dogs do you have?
I have 5 dogs. My favorite breeds are German Shepherd, Steel, Diva, Arancha, Ayrton, and Drago.
Excellent. Does your family also play with dogs?
Yes, my family also likes dogs. They are faithful and tender. My house is very big and has a yard with grass to play every day.
Are they dangerous?
No, my dogs are pure love.
Fantastic. They are friendly. Do you like the countryside?
It is a wonderful life in the countryside. The best is the have pure air and landscape after rain. The color in spring are attractive to bees.
Do you want to live there forever?
Yes, I have always lived in the countryside.
Oh, that's right. Your work is very important. Excellent.
Yes, because my job is working in the fields and not in the city.